Mr. Auer, you've been very patient.
Sure.
What problem do you think the bill's trying to solve?
I think the bill rests on two really important assumptions. The first one is that big tech firms are as big and successful as they are today because of anti-competitive conduct. Not because their products are better, not because they've somehow outcompeted their rivals, but because of anti-competitive behavior. Now that's questionable, right? If you ask the man on the street, what is the best search engine out there? I'm pretty sure everyone is going to say Google. If you ask what the best smartphone experience is, you can guess at the answers. Second, really important assumption underlying these bills, and I think again it is a questionable one, it's that the reason competition authorities have failed to bring sufficient cases against the big tech firms is not because the merits of the cases were bad, but because somehow it's too difficult to bring a case under competition law, right? So valid cases are being rejected by courts, so to speak. Again, I think that's a questionable assumption. We spoke about Epic Games. There have been, there's a very big court case in the United States. Epic Games has mostly lost in that case, and the ruling is extremely detailed and goes into details as to why, essentially, there is no less restrictive alternative to Apple's current policy. Any other alternative would mean that users face much less secure devices and the user experience that would be inferior to what they have now. So I think, essentially, in deciding whether the DMCC bill is good or bad, we really need to look at these assumptions and question whether, maybe you take my position or you take Corey's position, but I think those are the main questions.